Fifth question, 2x minus y plus z equals to 4, x plus y plus z equals to 1, x minus 3y minus 2z equals to 2. Let us write the given three equations in the matrix notation form, that is Ax equals to D. So first matrix A, that is coefficient matrix. So 2 minus 1 1, 1 1 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2 into X matrix, that is variable matrix. So the variables are in the given equation x, y, z. It is equals to D, that is constant matrix. The constant numbers are 4 1 2. Let's find out the mod A. It is equals to, expand the first row element. First element is 2 bracket of 1 into minus 2 minus 1 into minus 3. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 3 into 1. Next, minus of minus 1 in the bracket 1 into minus 2 minus 1 into 1. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 minus 1 into 1 is 1. Next, plus 1 into minus 3 minus 1 into 1. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 minus 1 into 1 is 1. So minus 2 plus 3 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. Next, minus of minus plus 1, but minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So overall minus 3 answer. Next, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. So 2 minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. So 2 minus 7 is minus 5. It is not equals 0. Then A inverse will be exist. So let us find out the cofactor matrix of A. So cofactor matrix of A equals to, replace the first row first column element with determinant of remaining elements. So determinant means here, find out the determinant of these elements. So 1 into minus 2 minus 2, and minus 2 minus of minus plus 3 into 1 is 3. So it is 1. Next, to replace the minus 1 with determinant of remaining elements. So 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 1. So it is equals to minus 3. Next, similarly replace all elements with their respective determinants. So after finding the respective determinants of each element, now change the symbols in the cofactor matrix. So here plus, minus. So here minus, next to plus, next to minus. So here minus will come, plus, next to here minus. So then minus of minus, here plus, next to here minus, next here plus. Let us write clearly. 1 minus of minus plus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 5 plus 5 minus 2 minus 1 3. So now adjoint matrix. Adjoint matrix means apply the transpose for the cofactor matrix. 1 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 5 5 minus 2 minus 1 3. So the transpose matrix is equals to 1 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 5 5. So next to minus 2 minus 1 3. So let us find out the A inverse matrix. A inverse is equals to the formula adjoint matrix A divided by determinant of matrix A. So determinant of matrix A is minus 5. So minus 1 by 5 into adjoint matrix is 1 minus 3, 1 minus 5 minus 2 3 minus 5, minus 1, minus 4, 5, 3. So let us find out our required answer, that is variable matrix. So the variable matrix formula is, the variable matrix denoting with capital X, so it is equals to A inverse into T. Here is a inverse, so A inverse is minus 1 by 5 into the matrix D is 4, 1, 2. Here its order is 3 by 3, its order is 3 by 1. So then columns equals to rows multiplication is possible, and order of the answer matrix is 3 by 1. So here minus 1 by 5 don't multiply inside now. So here first row, first column, 1 into 4 is 4, minus 5 into 1 minus 5, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Second row, first column, 3 into 4 is 12, minus 5 into 1 is minus 5, minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Third row, first column, so minus 4 into 4 is minus 16, 5 into 1 is 5, 3 2s are 6. So here 3 4 are minus 5 into 1. So it is equals to minus 1 by 5, 4 minus 4 cancel, so here is a minus 5. Next to 5 minus 5 minus 2 minus 7, so 12 minus 7 it is equals to 5. Next to 5 plus 6 11, so minus 16 plus 11 it is equals to minus 5. Now multiply minus 1 by 5 inside, so minus 5 by minus 5, 5 by minus 5, minus 5 by minus 5. So then it is equals to, here minus minus 5, 5 cancel 1, 5 5 cancel minus 1, minus minus 5 5 cancel 1. So the required answer is X is 1, Y is minus 1 and Z is 1. Sixth question, 2x plus 3y plus 4z equals to 29, x plus y plus 2z equals to 13, 3x plus 2y plus z equals to 16. The matrix notation form is Ax equals to D. The matrix A equals to coefficient matrix, so 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, next to 3, 2, 1, into X means variable matrix, so that is X, Y, Z. Next to D means constant matrix, so 29, 13, 16. Let's find out the mod A value. Expand the first row elements 2 into bracket of, so mod A value, that is minus 5, sorry it is a plus 5, 5 is not equals 0, so then A inverse is exist. So now let's find out the cofactor matrix of A, so it is equals to, so now change the symbols, here plus, next here minus, here plus, next here minus, next here plus, next here minus, here plus, here minus, plus. So then the answer is, so now adjoint matrix, so adjoint matrix of A equals to, so apply the transpose for this matrix, so minus 3, 5, minus 1, 5 minus 10, 5, next to 2, 0, minus 1. So let's find out the A inverse matrix. So A inverse equals to adjoint matrix divided by mod A. So then it is equals to mod A value 5, so 1 by 5 into, so minus 3, 5, 2, next to 5 minus 10, 0, next to minus 1, 5, minus 1. So now our required answer is X, so formula for X is A inverse into D. So A inverse is 1 by 5 into minus 3, 5, 2, 5 minus 10, 0, minus 1, 5, minus 1 into the D matrix is 29, 13, 16. So let us multiply these two matrices. At present don't multiply with 1 by 5, so 1 by 5 write as it is. Here minus 3 into 29. So here is a multiplication. Let us simplify this. 1 by 5 bracket of 7th question, x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 6, 3x minus 2y plus z equals to 2, 4x plus 2y plus z equals to 7. The matrix notation form, that is Ax equals to D. So A is a coefficient matrix, so then x is a variable matrix, next to z equals to constant matrix, so 6, 2, 7. Let's find out the mod A by expanding the first row elements. So it is equals to 40, 40 is not equals 0, then A inverse will be exist. Let's find out the cofactor matrix of the A. So then it is equals to minus 4, minus 1, 14, 2 minus 6 is minus 4, 1 minus 12 is minus 11, 2 minus 8 is minus 6, 2 plus 6, 8, minus 8, minus 8. So now change the symbols. Here first one minus 4 as it is, next apply the minus for this, so plus 1, next here positive 14, next here plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So let us find out the adjoint matrix. So that is apply the transpose for this. Minus 4 1 14, 4 minus 11 6, next here 8 8 minus 8. Next A inverse answer. A inverse is equals to adjoint A divided by mod A, and A value is 40, then 1 by 40 into adjoint matrix minus 4 4 8, 1 minus 11 8, next to 14 6 minus 8. Next the required answer is x equals to A inverse into D. A inverse is 1 by 40 into 1 by 40 into minus 4 4 8, 1 minus 11 8, 14 6 minus 8, multiply with the D matrix, that is 6 2 7. Then it is equals to multiply the both matrices here, then their multiplication is 1 by 40 into 40 40, here also 40. Now 1 by 40 multiply inside, so then 1 1 1. So our required answer is x equals to 1, y equals to 1 and z equals to 1. 8th question, x plus y plus 4z equals to 6, 3x plus 2y minus 2z equals to 9, 5x plus y plus 2z equals to 13. Let's write the given equation in the matrix notation form, that is Ax equals to D. So here matrix A is 1 1 4, and now find out the determinant of matrix A by expanding the first row elements. 6 minus 44 equals to minus 38, it is not equal 0, therefore A inverse is exist. Now find out the cofactor matrix of A. So now adjoint of the matrix A, it is equals to apply the transpose for the cofactor matrix. 6 minus 16 minus 7, 2 minus 18 4, minus 10 14 minus 1. Next A inverse answer. A inverse equals to, the formula is 1 by mod A into adjoint of matrix A. it is equals to 1 by mod a value is minus 38 into adjoint a is 6 2 minus 1. Now the required answer is x. It is equals to a inverse into d. A inverse equals to minus 1 by 38 into 6. Next the constant matrix is 9 13. Let's multiply the two matrices. Minus 1 by 38 into first row with the first column, so 36 plus 18 minus 130. Next to minus 96 minus 162 plus 182. Minus 7 into 6 minus 42. 4 9s are 36 minus 13. So let's simplify. It is equals to minus 1 by 38 into minus 76 minus 76 minus 19. Let's multiply minus 1 by 38 in inside. It is equals to minus 76 by minus 38 minus 76 by minus 38 minus 19 by minus 38. Here 38 ones are 38 twos are minus minus cancel, so it is equals to 2. Here also 2, and here 19 ones are 19 twos are 38, so 1 by 2. So then the required answer is x equals to 2, y equals to 2, and z equals to 1 by 2. Ninth question, x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 6, 2x plus 4y plus z equals to 7, 3x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 8. So the matrix notation form is ax equals to d. So then the coefficients of equation 1, 2, 3, and the constant matrix is here 6, 7, 8. Let's find out the determinant of matrix A. So expand the first row elements, so 1 into bracket of, so 10 minus 30 is minus 20, so it is not equal 0, so therefore A inverse will be exist. Let's find out the cofactor matrix of A. So next find out the adjoint of the matrix A. So adjoint of the matrix A means you apply the transpose for the cofactor matrix. So now we need to find out the A inverse matrix. So A inverse equals to, the formula is 1 by mod A into adjoint of matrix A. So 1 by mod A, that is minus 20. So adjoint of matrix is 10, 0, minus 10, 0. So now we need to find out the x value. So A inverse into D. A inverse means minus 1 by 20 into 10, 0, minus 10, minus 3, and the constant matrix is 6, 7, 8. So let's multiply these two matrices. So it is equals to minus 1 by 20 into, multiply the first row with the first column, so then it is equals to 60 plus 0 plus minus 80. Next second row with the first column, so that is minus 18 minus 42 plus 40. Next to minus 48 plus 28 plus 0. It is equals to minus 1 by 20 into minus 20 minus 20 minus 20. Let's multiply minus 1 by 20 in inside, so then answer is 1 1 1. So the required answer is x equals to 1, y equals to 1, and z equals to 1. 10th question, 3x plus 4y plus 5z equals to 18, 2x minus y plus 8z equals to 13, 5x minus 2y plus 7z equals to 20. So the matrix notation form is Ax equals to D. So it is implies the matrix A is 3, 4, 5. Next here 2 minus 1 8. Next to 5 minus 2 7. And X means variable matrix, so X, Y, Z. Next D means constant matrix, that is 18, 13, 20. Let's find out the determinant of the matrix A. So expand the first row elements, so 3 into minus 7 plus 8 to the 16 minus 4 into 14 minus 5 8 the 40. Next to plus 5 into minus 4 plus 5, so it is equals to 3 into minus 7 plus 16 is 9. Next minus 4 into 14 minus 40 is minus 26, plus minus 4 plus 5 is 1. So then the total answer is 130, 27 plus 104 plus 5, so it is equals to 136. So 136 is not equal 0, therefore A inverse will be exist. Let's find out the cofactor matrix of A. So next, to find out the adjoint of matrix A, it is equals to apply the transpose for the cofactor matrix. So 9, 26, 1, minus 38, minus 4, 26, 37, minus 14, minus 11. Next, to find out the A inverse matrix. So A inverse equals to 1 by mod A into adjoint of matrix A. So then A inverse will be equals to 1 by 136 into adjoint of matrix A is 9 minus 38, 37, minus 11. Now find out our required answer, that is X. So X equals to A inverse into D. A inverse means 1 by 136 into constant matrix is 18, 13, 20. So let's multiply the two matrices to get the variable matrix. So it is equals to 1 by 136 into 408, next to 136, 136. Let's multiply 1 by 136 in inside. So here 408 by 136, 136 divided by 136, 136 divided by 136. Now here 408 divided by 136 equals to 3, and here 1, 1. So the required answer is X equals to 3, Y equals to 1, and Z equals to 1. 11th question, X minus Y plus Z equals to 2, 2x plus 3y minus 4z equals to minus 4, 3x plus y plus z equals to. So Ax equals to D is a matrix notation form. So A is, let's find out the mod A. So it is equals to expand the first row element. So 1 into 3 into 1 3, minus of minus plus 4 into 1 is 4, minus of minus 1 into, so here 7 7 cancel, it is equals to 14. It is not equal 0, therefore A inverse is exist. So next, to cofactor of matrix A. So now adjoint of a matrix A is equals to, apply the transpose for this matrix. So here 7 minus 14 minus 7. So then A inverse equals to 1 by mod A into adjoint of matrix A. So therefore A inverse is equals to 1 by mod A value 14 into adjoint of a matrix. Now our required answer is X. So it is equals to A inverse into D. So A inverse equals to 1 by 14 into 7, 2, 1. Constant matrix is 2, minus 4, 8. Let's multiply the two matrices. So it is equals to 1 by 14. Let's simplify the all rows. Now 1 by 14 multiply inside. So 14 by 14, 28 by 14, 42 by 14. So 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 14, 3s are. So it is equals to 1, 2, 3. So then our required answer is x value 1, y value 2 and z value is 3. 12th question, x plus 2y minus z equals to minus 3, 3x plus y plus z equals to 4, x minus y plus 2z equals to 6. Let's write the given equation in the matrix notation form, that is Ax equals to D. So the matrix A means the coefficient of equation. So 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 2 into matrix X means variables. So x, y, z. D means constant matrix. So minus 3, 4, 6. Now we need to find out the mod A. So that is expand the first row element. So 1 into here 1 2s are 2 plus 1 minus 2 into 3 2s are 6 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 3 minus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 2 into 6 minus 1 is 5 minus 1 into minus 4. 3 minus 5 2s are 10. Minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7 minus 10 equals to minus 3. So it is not equals to 0. So therefore A inverse will be exist. Let's find out the cofactor matrix of A. So next adjoint matrix of A. So adjoint matrix of A equals to apply the transpose for the cofactor matrix. So that is 3 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 3 3 3 minus 4 minus 5. So next A inverse answer, A inverse equals to 1 by mod A into adjoint of matrix A. 1 by mod A value is minus 3. So here adjoint of matrix A is 3 minus 3 3 minus 5 3 minus 4 minus 4 3 minus 5. Let's find out our required answer, that is variable matrix. So its formula is A inverse into D. A inverse matrix is minus 1 by 3 into 3 minus 3 3. So minus 3 4 6. Let's multiply them. Minus 1 by 3 into. So let's simplify this. So it is equals to minus 1 by 3 into minus 3 3 next to 6. Next to minus 3 by minus 3, 3 by minus 3, 6 by minus 3. Let's simplify them. So minus 3 by minus 3 1, minus 1, minus 2. Sorry, here minus, here minus, so then here plus. So then our required answer, x equals to 1, y equals to minus 1 and z equals to 2.